Hello everyone. This is my second attempt to describe this, and I'm hoping to do a better job this time. So this is an explanation of how to use Rich Editor on Moodle. So the first thing you want to do is when you go to your discussion board or your forum, you add a new discussion topic. Another window will open up at this point, which has disappeared. Let's see where it went. Here we go. You might have to scroll down a little bit. And so the first thing we want to do is add a subject. So I'm going to call this Doodling on the Moodle2. This is already open, but when you open the first time, this is usually closed. If you click here, you get 3 rows of things, of various possibilities to enrich your message. We have the normal word program buttons. You have paragraph. You can choose the various headings or sizes that you want. We have bold, italic, bullets, numbers. Here you can add a link. You can also unlink something, or you can deactivate automatic linking. Here you can add a picture, you can add a emoticon, you can insert a video, you can insert a document. On the second row we have our wonderful undo button. How could we live without that one? You can redo something if you've decided that actually that was better and you have already undone it. You can underline, you can strike through. One of the things I really like about this particular program is that as you hover over these little buttons here, it shows you what it's going to do. So if you have any doubts, you can always come here and check as you hover over it. You can subscribe something, you can superscribe, you can align your message to the left, you can center it, you can align it to the right, you can decrease an indent, you can increase an indent, you can choose the color of your text, you can highlight, you can move a whole paragraph left or right. Here you can insert a non-breaking space character. Here you can insert special characters. You can insert tables. And then here we have the Poodle buttons where you can record. See if I can move it over a little bit. There we go. You can record. You have 2 record buttons here. Your voice in MP3, or you can add a video recording that you do right on the message. You can draw, you can take a picture. Here you can choose the font family, the size of your message. This one, you can edit your internet source. You can do a search in there. You can put something, you can find or replace something that you put in. This is usually a copy, yes, it probably is, a copyist style. Dangerous key, however, it's great if you learn how to use it correctly, and of course we can always resort to our undo button. Here we have a remove formatting if you put in formatting that you don't like. And this one you can paste something in as plain text, or you can paste from Word, which doesn't always work in all programs, so this is a handy thing to do. Here you can toggle full screen mode, math editor for those of you who are mathematical geniuses, which I am not. And here you have a calculator, which also can come in handy, especially if you're not a mathematical genius. So once you've written your message, so let's just write a message here. Now is the time for all teachers to come to the aid of our Moodles. Okay, you can scroll down here, and there's also a place where you can drag and drop files to add them here. When you are happy with what you've done, you can post to the forum, or you can cancel and start all over again. And then you can also return. You have a return button here too. So I hope that this video will help you create these better. And now what I'm going to do is try to give a title to this video and also to insert a cover. And I think to do that I have to hover over it in some way. So let's see how it comes out. So goodbye for now, and I hope to be talking to you again soon.